In today's auction tutorial, we will be learning how to upload featured photos to an auction. We can start by heading over to MarkNetStreamline.com, entering our username and password, and clicking Login. Once in the system, we will click on the Projects tab and then Current Projects. Here, we will select the project we are looking to work in. Then, we will select the Photos section. We will click again to begin to upload our files. Here, you can see me choosing the 3 photos of the TV I want to upload and clicking Open. A check mark means they successfully uploaded. A red X means they did not. Once the files are uploaded, we even have the ability to bulk edit, to rearrange our photos, or add a quick little description. Once finished, we are able to hit the Save button and you have successfully uploaded your featured photos. Don't forget to follow us for more auction information and useful tech tips.